In this video, we will analyze the MOG Coin, which has been preparing to attack recently. There is a clear downtrend in MOG Coin, and the price is currently below this trend line. If it manages to break this trend on volume, a strong bullish move could begin. If this breakout occurs, the price is expected to gain upward momentum by breaking through the resistance levels in front of it. If it breaks and retests, it is ready to take flight. There is a bullish order block at the bottom. This is considered a high buyer zone, meaning that when there are a lot of buyers here, the price should find support and move up. Traders who want to buy can buy big at this point and move the price up. There is a bear order block at the top, which represents the zone of strong sellers. At this level, selling traders multiply, which may cause the price to fall. If the price comes here, many people may sell. Please pay attention to this point. According to the Elliott wave theory, it has completed the first and second waves. Now, we are entering the third wave phase where the strongest movement is expected to take place. The third wave is usually the strongest bullish wave of the market, and it needs to reach a minimum Fibonacci level of 1618. Remember that the third wave comes suddenly out of nowhere. Looking at the chart from a wide angle, we can see that a distinct W pattern, a double bottom pattern, has formed. This pattern is often considered a strong reversal signal, signaling the possibility of a bullish reversal from a downtrend. The W pattern forms two bottoms, and they are usually close to similar levels. When the neckline of this pattern is broken, a strong bullish move usually begins. The completion of this pattern on the chart heralds a potential uptrend. There are 3 peaks in the W pattern. Now there are 2 peaks in total. And if the middle one breaks and goes above it, the last peak will be a high peak. Looking at the chart in more detail, there is a falling channel structure coming down from the top. This channel causes the price to move within a certain narrow range, and the upper band of the channel acts as a strong resistance point. Most recently, the price experienced a decline after touching the upper point of the channel, and now seems to be supported by the lower band of the channel. If the price bounces from here, it may go to the middle band, and then to the upper band. Looking at the Bollinger Band, price has now touched its lower band. This usually indicates that the oversold zone is being approached, and price has the potential to bounce back. The lower band of the Bollinger Band can provide support when price moves downwards in an extreme manner. If the price bounces off the lower band and crosses the middle band, the blue line, a bullish move can begin. The upper band of the Bollinger Band can be the target level of such a bullish move. The middle band acts as a dynamic support or resistance, and the price moving towards it can often be an indication that the trend is starting to change. When it crosses the middle band, its target becomes the upper band. Looking at the MACD indicator, a crossover has occurred from the top, and the MACD line has dropped below zero. This indicates that the downtrend is strengthening and selling pressure is increasing. For an upward movement to begin, the MACD needs to make a crossover from the bottom. If the MACD crosses upward from below the zero line, it can create a new buying signal, which could lead to the price starting to rise. After the crossover, as the MACD moves higher, the momentum will increase and the price will rise. The RSI indicator is currently in a downtrend, but there is an important support point for the downtrend to stop. This support level is an area where the RSI has bounced back many times in the past. The RSI has had a strong reaction at this point and has moved up here many times before. The RSI is touching this support point again and may bounce upwards again. On the vortex indicator, the red line is on top, which means that bearish pressure is prevailing. The bears are strong in the market right now. However, if the blue line starts to be on top, this indicates the start of an uptrend. And the more buyers there are, the harder the uptrend will be. Looking at the price action, we can see that it last tried to break above the 200 EMA, but failed to hold there and moved back below it. This suggests that the 200 EMA is currently working as a strong resistance zone. If the price can break above the 200 EMA again and hold above it, it would be a strong signal that the trend is starting to change to the upside. The 200 EMA indicates big trends, and when the price breaks above it, we can see big uptrends. Yes, friends, I hope you liked the video. If you subscribe and like the video, more videos will come. Good earnings to everyone.